Mayeni for president. Let's give Mayeni her flowers for not supporting what her child Mpumelelo is doing. She's never defended him and his doing, but spoke the true facts only. So Mayeni has a message to all the ladies that are busy giving Mpumelele's babies. If you were to pray, you better pray to have a mother-in-law like Mayeni, guys. So yesterday, Uthandwa Nesithembu season 8, episode 13. So Umayeni, Umacele and Mayeni, they were having a lunch before they could go and see Musamsaleko at the hospital. Umacele was asking ukuthi le ndaba yakamaye yakampumelelo and Nosipho ikuphatha kanjani. Umayeni was like, when it comes to relationships zakampumelelo, please don't involve me. Whether Umpumelelo wants to marry kwaQele, kwaKhumalo, kwaMangwabe, even kwaKhwela, I don't see any problem. Umpumelelo is like father, like son. Uyafana no Musamseleko. So if you are dating Mpumelelo, just date him. Don't give him babies. And people should let Mpumelelo date. He's still young. They must not judge him, guys. So if you are dating Mpumelelo, thinking he's going to be your husband or you give him a child, trust me and believe Umayeni, she doesn't want to involve herself in this type of drama. You better do it alone. I guess Uvuyokazi and Nosipho, they took Umayeni's advice. They walked away because people were saying Uvuyokazi, she made a right decision. Umayeni, guys, she has never defended Mpumelelo, guys. She has been saying, she has been warning these young ladies. Even when Vuyokazi went to Mayeni, was complaining on Mpumelelo, Umayeni was like, you need to choose yourself, you need to love yourself. So Umayeni, she's been there for these young ladies. No wonder why people are saying Umayeni for president. They love Umayeni for telling the truth, for not protecting Mpumelelo. So these young ladies, they decided their own to say, you know what, we're going to give Mpumelelo babies. You know, we're going to keep him by giving him babies. But according to Mayeni, it doesn't work like that. Mpumelelo will always choose himself like a Musamseleko. I hope they are taking notes from Musamseleko and Mayeni's relationship. Umayeni has never even one day defended Mpumelelo or protect Mpumelelo, saying Mpumelelo, he's a good boy, he's gonna be a great husband one day. She has never said that. She's been saying from day one to say that if you're gonna date Mpumelelo, make sure that you know what you're doing. Don't come to her saying, oh, do you see what Mpumelelo is doing? Like other mother-in-laws out there, guys, they will protect their son. But Umayeni, she's been saying from day one, you need to be sure. So anyway, guys, let's tell me in the comment section, what do you think about Mayeni? People are saying Umayeni for president. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself.